You know those days when you're on a time crunch, but you decide to quickly wash your hair with no time to do it after? This was one of those days, but here's how it went. So here, I had just taken my hair out of the t-shirt I wrapped it with, and I'm using the Olaplex leave-in conditioner. I rarely ever use this, but it turned out really well today, so I think I will for the future be using this. And the key is you just want to smooth it over your hair rather than rake it through. Then here I'm doing my edges, of course, again with the Fenty hair edge control and the edge control brush. So I'm just making sure I don't have any frizzy or dry areas that I can tell, and I'm just continuing to smooth over it. Again, you want to make sure you don't rake it, because smoothing over it will make it dry quicker and give you that volume. And I use more gel than I usually do, kind of gliding it or scrunching all over just to make sure it held shape and didn't get too frizzy. So in total, this really took me only about 4 minutes, so it's a literal wash and go. This is great for times when you just want to quickly wash your hair and do something with it and don't have time. So it comes out super voluminous and holds shape really well. So this was only a couple hours later. You can see it's been fully dried. I was in and out of the house, so that helped as well with the drying process. So you can see it dried really well and held shape, and so I'm just going in with the jojoba oil and I'm just gonna glide it over. This is how you break the gel cast, especially because I used more gel than usual. This was really important. And also because we use less products than usual, it's important to lock in that moisture with the oils. So I'm making sure I'm using it all over my ends really well. Then I'm going to use the Ogx Coconut Oil because this has much more of a moisturizing feel to it. And lastly, if you know me, you know I will be using my pick. I'm using the Curlsnclouds wooden pick, and I'm just going through my hair. And really the main reason why I love this routine for a wash and go is it provides so much movement. You can see I can kind of flip my hair wherever, and it just looks natural, and it looks like day 2 or 3 hair. So this is really fun to play with, especially if you have an event or something went wrong with your hair on the day. This is a good last minute routine. So these are the final results. It's really voluminous, really big and bouncy curls, and you can just kind of style it however you want or just leave it out like I did. So again, it's really fun to play with, and this is one of my favorite routines to do if need be, and so I think you should try it out for yourself and see how you like it. So let me know in the comments below if you try it out, and all the products will be in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.